What up, family? Hope everybody doing amazing out there. Got this puppy NOMA 7. About to unbox. Get into this thing. See y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. Took it out the box. Shit over to the side. There we go. About to hop into it. Invicta. Now this is a good sign for it to still have its wrap on the box here. In my last unboxing, it did not come with that, which was a red flag right off the rip that it was used, which it was. So this seems to be untouched. So let's hop into this thing. Been waiting for this NOMA 7 like almost a year, pretty much. When I first saw the rendering last year. And here we go. As I was hoping and as I thought, it is in the plastic. Which I'm very happy about that, because this is one piece that I've been looking forward to, definitely wanted, and glad that I got an unused one. But just look at this thing, yo. Look at them colors. Gonna take the plastic off of here. I'll be right back. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is. Just a beautiful, beautiful Subaqua NOMA 7. Puppy edition, as you can see by the case back. Very, very limited edition. Got the dual injected pink and blue strap. And the burgundy dragon head function pushers and accents. Sorry for the blurriness, but here we go, here we go. This is the puppy NOMA 7 on the wrist. Just a beautiful, beautiful timepiece. Very fun color. You know I'm all about color. But yeah, that thing is beautiful. Oh, and by the way, that was the Black Panther Boat Zeus that I was rocking for this. Working on a review for that. You'll probably see this after that video, hopefully. But yeah, working on a review for this as we speak, as this video is going on. But yeah, working on a video for that. Same day that I'm filming this unboxing, so yeah, hopefully y'all check them both out. But yeah, this puppy is just beautiful. I might even consider this one of my grill pieces. Just lovely. That's it for today, y'all. Hopefully I'll get out these videos and yeah, hopefully get a lot more content out for y'all. But yeah, this is that Preppy NOMA 7. One of my most beautiful timepieces here. This is an instant favorite from just having it on the wrist. But alright, y'all. Have a good day out there. Spread that positivity and love. Yeah, you know how I always do. But yeah. Y'all take care of that, man. Love y'all. Rico smiles. Love you.